change the front Gearcase fluid on your Ranger 500, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Before removing, clean the area around the fill plug. Next, remove the fill plug and set aside. Then, place a drain pan underneath the drain plug on the bottom right-hand side. Tip: placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Now, clean the area around the drain plug. After this, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Tip: inspect the O-rings on both plugs, looking for any burrs and nicks. Replace if necessary. Then, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, fill the gear case through the fill plug hole until it reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Then, reinstall the gear case fill plug and torque to specification. Next, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used oil properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.